Alright guys, today I'm going to be telling you top 10 worst ceiling fan brands you should not buy. Alright, let's get started. Number 10, Casablanca. Alright, so Casablanca is kind of a bad fan because their flywheels fall off easy and blades can fly across the room and they can break a picture frame or something. And Casablanca fans are also kind of cheap and noisy. Alright, that's pretty much for Casablanca. And number 9 is Moss. Alright, Moss is another one of the bad fans because they don't blow much air. They're also cheap, and the Caribbean Breeze might be the worst one because it has 3 blades, and there's some other Moss that look old as well. Like, they look like SMCs, right? Some look like SMCs or something like that. Alright, that's pretty much with Moss and Casablanca. And number 8 is... Wait, what is number 8? Oh. What is number 8? Oh. Hoba Blaze. Alright. Hoba Blaze is another one of the bad fan brands. It's because, the worst Hoba Blaze might be the Coke because, the capacitors don't last very long on them. And they go high on all speeds. And the Cokes also wobble as well. And they don't blow much air, and they're also cheap too. And like a different Hoba Blaze would probably be the Cheshire. Like, they don't blow much air either. Alright, that's pretty much for Hoba Blaze. Number 7 is Craftmade. Alright, so Craftmade is another one of the bad fans. Because, I like a Craftmade Kona fan at my beach house. The capacitor's gone out on it. So it's going slow, just like a Hunter ceiling fan. And another reason why Craftmade's like the decoratives are also cheap, and you should not buy Craftmade decorative. But if you can, if you want. It's also very similar to that video I watched about. Yeah, it's about that. And another one of bad Craftmade is CXL, because they're cheap and they wobble, sort of. Alright, that's pretty much of Craftmade. Number 6 is Heritage. Alright, so Heritage is bad because some of them can be ventless, and some of them can be ventless, and they also don't go as fast. And they look bad as well. And that's pretty much of Heritage. And number 5 is Hunter. Hunter is bad because one of the Hunter fans is bad, like the Oakhurst or the Highbury, or stuff like that, because or the Beacon Hill, because those three don't push much air, and they kind of wobble too, and they don't go as fast. I might have already said that. And the lights on them I don't like as much. And they can squeak as well. And alright, that's pretty much for Hunter. Number 4 is, what is number 4? Oh, what is number 4? Number 4. Oh, Westinghouse. So number 4 is Westinghouse. Westinghouses are bad because, one of the bad Westinghouse fans might be the Westinghouse. Westinghouse Wang, that 30-inch fan. I don't like those because they don't blow much air as the 3 Hunters I said. And another one of the Westinghouse fans is what is it? Oh, I forgot about it. And Westinghouse can also be ventless. Alright, that's pretty much of Westinghouse. And number 3 is Evergo. Alright, Evergo's are bad because they look so bad, and they're also cheap, and they look so old, and they look like from the 1960s, and they don't push much air either, and their motor burns out very fast, no longer works, and yeah, so that's why Evergos are bad. And number 2 is CEC. Alright, number 2 is CEC because CECs are bad because they're cheap, they wobble, they're noisy, and they look weird. And some reasons about CEC, like they might look bad, but that might be my opinion, but I think the fact is some CECs are bad, and some about the CEC, CEC, like I don't like the blades because they're stencil blades. Alright, the worst of all of them is Walmart. Walmart fans is the worst. Like Mainstays at Walmart. Mainstays is the worst at Walmart. Because everything is bad. Ceiling fans at Walmart. Puzzles, bikes, fishing rods, and foods, and ceiling fans at Walmart. They're mostly made in China. They're a complete junk. Alright, everyone, now is the top 10 worst ceiling fan brands that you should not buy.